Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to add a custom variable elements based on who you're sending it to. So just to kind of, I'm going to dive right in just so it makes more sense. It's kind of hard to explain just in words, but basically it's you have a recipient, right? This is the person we're sending it to, and then we can add elements that have variables in it that auto-populate based on who we're sending it to. So we can auto-populate their name, their address, whatever else, right? So let's, as an example, we can add a text field over here, and then if we click in it, custom values, right? So we can select, let's say, contact, their name, their full name, right? Oh, sorry, I clicked it twice. So let's delete it just so there's no duplicates. Contact, full name, right? We can add another element. Let's duplicate this, and let's say we want their address in here, right? So let's select contact, same thing, and full address, right? So these elements, when you preview, they will auto-populate. So let's save and let's do a preview over here up top. So if we scroll down, oh, there's my face. If we scroll down, see, they auto-populate themselves. So based on who you're sending it to. So that's a cool little feature. Just kind of makes your life a little bit easier. Auto-populate stuff. You don't have to double check. You just put in the custom variable in, and it just will auto-populate your document, right? So yeah, and you can play around with all kinds of elements if you click. And then this one, the custom values one that you can scroll through, and there's all kinds of stuff you can put in there. So yeah, make sure to go check that out. That's under the, let's go back. That's under the payments, documents, contracts, all documents, contracts section, right? You can create one here either from scratch or upload a PDF, which is also a recent video I created. So yeah, make sure to go check it out, test it out. And over here, you can ask us questions if you have any. 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.